Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal. Today's video is about Bonkers Corner Haul. I've already uploaded a Bonkers Corner Haul before. I will just upload it on the top or somewhere you can see it. And after watching this video, you can watch that video too. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So the first thing is this white top. Now it has all my heart except for the fact that it's transparent. So I have to wear something on the other below it, like a white tank top or a bee, so to make it look wearable. And I have also worn it like last week for my hangout with my friends. I will just upload the picture and it looks amazing. When you wear it, it just changes your whole look, and I just loved how it sticks to my body. Everything is perfect, and if I would recommend you, yes I would, but there are a lot of options that sell such type of white tops with better quality. I won't say the quality is bad, but I won't say it's the best. Like, it comes in between, so accordingly you can buy it if you liked it. Okay, so the next one is this like a baggy t-shirt, and I have been searching for this for quite a long now, and in Urbanic I saw it and they were like in 2000 range, and that too the material was very thick and I can't wear that sort of material in Mumbai. So I wanted something to be of great material but not heavy, that I can't wear it in Mumbai. The material of this in 1000 range is amazing, as I get the material quality also very nice and the price range is also very decent. And I would just say the size, about the size, it was I think extra small, and this is the smallest size they had available with them, and it is still like very baggy for me. So if you get a medium size for yourself, get a smaller one, as it is very baggy for you. So if you get medium, it would be like more baggy for you. So I think the size issues is quite a thing in their side, as in Urbanic extra small is like perfect for me. Here extra small is also sometimes big for me or sometimes very tight for me, so it is very confusing sometimes. So I would really suggest you to go for a size smaller if you are buying a baggy jacket or baggy t-shirt from there. Okay, so the last thing are these shorts. Now, you have already seen my previous Bonkers Corner haul. I had ordered a white color shorts, but they were quite tight for me as I had gone for extra small. But this time I got for small and it fits me perfectly. The length is exactly the same. I have also measured it. Like, the length is totally the same, but from the waist, like when I used to wear that white shorts, it used to get stuck on my knees and I had to pull it up. But it was not difficult for me with the black shorts. It was very easy for me to wear the black shorts than the white shorts. So definitely size issues are there with them, but overall the material is amazing. Most of the cloth material is amazing and the price is also quite decent. They also have very nice range of baggy clothes. I might make a video next time. If you want to see it, you can comment down below. And yes, that's it for today guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!